Hello, kids. Today we learn about good and bad habits. Let's see them. Good habits for kids. Brushing teeth twice a day. It keeps your teeth clean, shiny, and strong. Brush in the morning and before bed to keep germs away. Washing hands before eating. Your hands touch many things. Washing them removes germs so you don't get sick. Eating healthy food. Fruits, vegetables, milk, and grains help your body grow strong and smart. Sleeping on time. A good night's sleep gives you energy to learn, play, and feel happy the next day. Sharing with friends. When you share your toys or snacks, everyone feels happy and loved. Saying please and thank you. These are magic words. They show respect and kindness when asking or receiving something. Keeping toys and books in place. After playing or reading, put your things back. It keeps your room tidy and easy to find stuff. Helping parents and teachers. When you help at home or school, you show love and care. It makes everyone proud of you. Always be honest, even if it's hard. Telling the truth helps people trust you. Being kind to others and animals. Kindness makes the world better. Be gentle with friends, pets, and everyone you meet. Doing homework regularly. Studying a little every day helps you remember lessons and do well in school. Using dust bins and keeping clean. Throw trash only in bins and help keep your home, classroom, and park clean. Listening carefully. When you listen, you learn better and show respect to teachers, parents, and friends. Exercising and playing outside. Running, jumping, and playing keep your body fit and your mind fresh. Respecting elders. Always greet and listen to parents, grandparents, and teachers. They care and guide you. Bad habits for kids. Not brushing or bathing regularly. If you skip brushing or bathing, germs can make you sick and smelly. Stay clean every day. Eating too much junk food. Chips, soda, and candy taste good, but hurt your tummy and teeth. Eat them only sometimes. Lying or blaming others. Telling lies hurts people's feelings and breaks trust. It's always better to be honest. Interrupting while others talk. Wait for your turn to speak. It shows good manners and respect for others. Not sharing toys. Keeping everything to yourself makes others sad. Sharing brings joy to everyone. Using rude words. Bad or mean words hurt people's hearts. Always speak kindly. Being lazy or not helping. If you don't help or move, work piles up. Helping makes you responsible and proud. Throwing garbage anywhere. Trash on the ground makes the world dirty. Use a bin and keep the earth clean. Fighting with friends. Fighting makes everyone upset. Talking kindly and saying sorry makes things better. Watching too much TV or phone. Screens can be fun, but too much time can hurt your eyes and stop you from learning. Not saying sorry or thank you. Forgetting these words is rude. Saying them shows you have a good heart. Wasting food or water. Many people don't have enough. Use only what you need and don't waste. Being mean or teasing others. Teasing hurts feelings. Be friendly and make others smile instead. Not finishing homework. Skipping homework makes learning harder. Doing it helps you get smarter every day. Talking back to parents or teachers. Arguing or yelling is disrespectful. Use calm words and listen to their advice. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.